Hey guys, welcome to part 2. Watch this firework. Some of these are really awesome. Is the next one of those Fear No Evil?
We got 2 left. This one and then the big one.
Oh, the Big Bojivir. Are y'all ready for the Big Bojivir? I keep calling it the Big Bojivir. Anyway, so this next one is one of those Fear No Evil ones. So the next one is one of those Fear No Evil ones. And then after that, we're doing this giant box, which hopefully is freaking awesome because it's a 12-shot firework. I mean, who doesn't
Not the biggest one. There's the big boy.
Big boy?
No, listen, big boy's over there.
Don't be a dud. Okay. Weeku! 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 Both pieces. Woo!
Here comes the big boy.
Oh, Big Boy 49.
Big boy's next.
Alright, big boy.
Ooh, the big boy.
Everybody ready for the big boy?
Big boy, big boy, big boy, big boy, big boy. We keep calling it the big boy.
Big boy, let's get it.
S.
Who is that?
It's me screaming. Oh, here we go, here we go. Big boy 97. Big boy, big boy, big boy. Big Bammers. Big Bojivir. There you have it, guys. So that was the video, and I hope you enjoyed it because I spent a lot of money on these fireworks, and they're awesome. That's why you should like them, and that's why you need to like the video. Oh crap, that's hot! And subscribe to the channel, Carson Coon, and also subscribe to my brother's channel, Dylan Beast, because he deserves it. And Big Bojivir there. Anyway, so these fireworks are pretty good, and we like them because they're pretty good.
I'm sure it's really awesome.
That was a 12-shotter, wasn't it?
Yep.
Those were like big. Those were like, you know, some of the smallest fireworks at Riverfront.
Yeah.
But those are like those size.
Yeah, no, that was pretty good for
I know, but like I think it was better than last year's finale, wasn't it?
I don't know. It's pretty good. I don't remember last one exactly, but
I kind of do. Anyway, so happy 4th of July to y'all who watch my channel. And I know I haven't uploaded in a while, so Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween. So Merry Christmas, Happy Halloween, Happy New Year, and finally Happy 4th of July because, you know, all those holidays happen on the same exact day. And if this video doesn't get uploaded on the 4th of July, it'll be uploaded on the 5th of July because that's how we go.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day, Happy Valentine's Day,
Happy
Merry New Year and Happy Christmas. Yeah, that's all that we did fireworks for all those. And also happy 4th of July. And for all y'all viewing my channel, I'll give you all a shout out. And also shout out to Dylan Beast because he deserves it. and then shout out to Mickey Slayton, who I know watches my uploads because he talks about it. And also, 1 like equals 1 prayer to the fireworks that were shot up in the air.
At Fortnite at Skull number 3 Destroyer and no caps. You can trade with us if you want to. It has to be good though.
So our account on Fortnite Battle Royale
I think you can
is
trade
Skull
Battle Pass
3
but you
Destroyer.
You can't trade
Skull 3 Destroyer, no caps, no spaces. And also, would you like to trade? We'll definitely give you Rogue Agent for something trash that you have that we like because we kind of want to get rid of that. And
Rogue Agent or one of the Battle Pass skins maybe.
no, you can't trade Battle Pass.
Maybe Zoe. Yeah, Zoe. I know.
You can't trade Battle Pass.
No, I think you can trade the Battle Pass. You just can't sell the Battle Pass one.
Anyway, so thank y'all for watching. I know I've been stalling for like 10 hours. You didn't. If you watched this long, actually thank you because you get to see the grand finale of the day. And
I have a full video on my channel of the whole fireworks show down in
yes, screw it.
downtown St. Charles. You know what I'm
Riverfront,
saying? You know what I'm
Riverfront.
saying?
Anyway,
Riverfront.
bye. Have a nice. No. As always, bye. Have a nice time.